All right, let's go and graph this inequality. And to start out, we're just going to write the equation. Y equals positive 1/4 x. And from this, we can see that the slope is positive 1 over 4, which means we're going to go up 1. That's my rise. And then the 4 is positive as well, so we're going to go to the right 4 from the y-intercept, which is not being shown, but it's there. It's a plus 0. So my y-intercept actually ends up being 0, 0. The y value being 0 right there, which is right at the origin. So I put my point at the origin. From there, I go up 1 to the right 4, and that gives me my next point. I can't graph another point to the right, but I can go to the left by copying this stair step to the left the same way, and that gives me this point right here. And now I can graph this line, which, let's see. That's not a great line, but it'll work. Now that's a solid line, but do I need a solid line? No, I don't want a solid line because this does not equal, y does not actually equal to 1/4 x. So all the points on this line would be false, which means I'll just take my eraser and kind of make this dashed a little bit. Something like this, okay? Now that's the line, but where am I going to shade? Now usually I would choose the origin, but since I can't choose the origin, I have to choose a different point. And I'm going to go with something easy like this ordered pair 0, 1. So that's what I'm going to test in the original inequality, which was y is greater than 1/4 of an x. But from my ordered pair there that I'm testing, I have an x that's 0 and a y that is 1. So I replace the x with 0, and I replace the y value with 1. And all I need to do at this point is see if I have a true statement. So this would be 1. Is it actually greater than 1/4 times 0? Yeah, it's 0. So this right there, 1 actually is greater than 0. So this is going to be true. Since it is true, that means that I would shade on this side of the line that this point is on, which I'm gonna say that that's above. But that would give me shading that looks something like this. If you didn't have a highlighter or something like that, right, like your pencil or pen or something like that. You can do that. Some students like to cross hatch it. Some students will kind of fill it in until it looks really good. You don't necessarily have to, but that's completely up to you guys. But that's it. That's what I'm going to go with right there. It's a little sloppy, but it'll work.